Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about some of the new skincare that I've tried along with their mini reviews. Guys, so these are the 10 skincare products that I'm going to talk about today. Some of them I've used for over a few months, some of them only for 10-15 days, and everything here has been bought by me, so you can definitely expect a very unbiased opinion. So without wasting a single moment, let's dive into the product details. Firstly, let's talk about the cleansers. I have three. Honestly, whenever I have to try a new cleanser, I get very scared because I have a very sensitive nose. Anything foamy, anything soapy makes me sneeze like nobody's business. But when I tried this one, I was surprised because even though it is foamy, it did not make me sneeze. So I'm talking about Requil Fruit AHA Face Wash. This is a fruit AHA infused cleanser. This is non-comedogenic. This is for all skin types. This is soap and sulfate free. This is foamy, but it does not irritate your nose or your skin for that matter. This works on your skin by fading out the dark spots, hyperpigmentation, and also promotes even skin tone. This one that I have in my hand is a 50 ml mini size, which I got as a gift from the brand when I bought something from their site in the past. But a 200 ml bottle retails for rupees 450, and now I have an affiliate code with the brand, so you can use that and get flat 20% off on your cart. Also, Requil has so many minis to give away whenever you buy something from the site, so definitely check them out. So the next one that I have is again from Requil. This is their oil control face wash. This is specially made for oily acne prone skin type. This is non-comedogenic, soap and sulfate free. This one is infused with zinc PCA, and this one really works on your skin by controlling the excess production of oil and sebum. This one really unclogs your pores, cleans your skin, at the same time retains the natural moisture balance. So this is a great face wash for summer, especially because it is so refreshing and so uplifting. Again, a 200 ml bottle retails for rupees 450. The last cleanser that I have is from Dermaco. This is their creamy cleanser. This is made specially for sensitive skin type, though I think it will suit any skin type. And this one cleanses and hydrates your skin. This is very hydrating, I must admit that. This is fragrance and soap free. This does not irritate your skin. So this will really suit you if you have like extremely sensitive skin with a lot of issues like redness, dryness, inflammation, acne. I think this is very Cetaphil-like. Maybe lower in quality than Cetaphil and slightly expensive than Cetaphil. 100 ml bottle with a pump retails for rupees 249, which I think is little expensive than Cetaphil. Moving on to the facial oils, I have two of them. The first one is from Good Vibes. This is their Jojoba Skin Balancing Facial Oil. This is like a basic, oil mixture of jojoba, hazelnut and olive. I think this is like just a very basic mixture of oil, nothing fancy, nothing startling. The 10 ml bottle with a dropper retails for rupees 199. The next oil that I have is from Bella Vita Organics. This is their Kumkumadi face oil. This one really brightens, repairs and hydrates your skin. I love this oil. I have been using it for over 2 months, I think now. I'm almost over with the first bottle. Actually, I don't use a lot of oils on my face because I have an acne prone skin, and whenever I use oil, any sort of oil, I tend to break out. But this one for some reason did not make me break out. I use it as a last step of my nighttime skincare routine. Whenever I feel my skin is extremely dry, obviously I don't use it every single day. And whenever I feel my skin is little irritated, dry, sensitive, I use it as a cleanser also, like a first step of my double cleansing. This cute bottle of 35 ml, I love the packaging. Just look at this. So cute. This one retails for rupees 499, which I think is quite reasonable for an oil like this. So you guys can definitely try this one out. Okay, now let's move on to the face mask. I have only one. I'm talking about Neutrogena Deep Clean Purifying Clay Cleanser and Mask. This is a 2-in-1 product. You can either use it as a cleanser on a daily basis or as a face mask once in a while to deeply clean your skin. This one is infused with citric acid, salicylic acid and glycolic acid. So it is a perfect face mask or a cleanser for somebody who has an acne prone skin type or an oily skin type. This one really draws out all the impurities, oil and sebum from your skin, unclogs your pores. This is a 100-gram tube for something around 700 rupees. I'll try and find a link and put it in the description box. Moving on to the serums and solutions, I have two and I'm amazed by both these products. I did not expect them to be so good. They are so good that they are going to be my vanity regulars now. The first one that I'm talking about is Dr. Seth's Ashwagandha and Alpha Arbutin Serum. This one really is a good serum. I have been using it for over 15 days now and I'm amazed by the result. This one really works on your dark spots, your pigmentation. It brightens your skin and also evens out your skin tone. It really does all of these things. So I'm definitely going to do like a full-fledged review on this particular product maybe next week. So I'm just going to save all the details for that video. For now, this is a 30 ml bottle with a dropper for rupees 695. Next one is from Dermaco. This is their 30% AHA and 2% BHA peeling solution and I'm again amazed by this product. By now I've used it only twice and the kind of speedy work that I can see on my skin is amazing. You know, it is shocking almost. This is like 10% glycolic acid, 10% lactic acid, 10% mandelic acid and 2% salicylic acid that really works on your skin, clears your pores, clears your skin from within. I had so many congested pores and so many bumpy patches of skin that the amount of work, great, amazing. I love this peeling solution. This is a 30 ml bottle with a dropper for rupees 599 and given the price, this one is a steal deal because you have to use it only once in a week. So this is really going to last you a very long time and I think this is a star product from Dermaco. Definitely give this a try. So the last two products that I'm going to talk about today are moisturizers and these are the products that didn't quite work for me. So the first one is from Dermaco. This is their Ceramide Plus Hyaluronic Acid Intense Moisturizer. Trust me, I tried my best to love this product. I still love it for the way it works. It really works on treating your dryness. Even though it really hydrates and nourishes your skin, it ends up clogging your pores. And the fragrance is very plasticky, very artificial, which I just could not deal with given I have a very sensitive nose. So I think I will have to give it a miss. Also, this is a 50-gram tube for rupees 349, which I think is expensive for a product like this in totality. The last product that I have is from RejuSure, if I am pronouncing it correctly. This is their collagen peptide facial moisturizer. This is their anti-wrinkle skin lifting formula loaded with collagen, hyaluronic acid and vitamin C. They are vegan, cruelty free, paraben free. This one is supposed to be used in the night. This is supposed to really work on your skin by reducing the wrinkles, maintaining the elasticity of your skin and just giving you a very youthful skin. The fragrance firstly is very vintage, very old school, very too much chemicals. I think just did not work for me. I had to run a sneeze marathon after using this one, and again I tried my best to use it. I used it for almost a week. No, I think more than a week, almost 10 days, and I had to give up. I had to I can't. So yeah, this is again a miss. And this one is I think this is a 50 ml bottle with a pump and this is for something around 500, but they have like ongoing sale at their site, so you get it for something around 250 or something around 300. So yeah, I mean, no point, does not work. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you guys were able to find some information about the products I spoke about today, and I really hope it was helpful. Please excuse my hair. My hair is in a mess today. You know, I have a very bad hair day, and in general my day is like really messed up today. It is so hot, it is so noisy outside, and my hair too, you know, add on to all the misery. Anyway, this scarf came to my rescue, and I hope you guys found it cute, if not really pretty. But anyway, if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also do not forget to hit that bell icon. And I'm going to see you guys very soon. You guys have an amazing day today. Lots of love to each one of you.